we've arrived, haven't we? We've arrived.
We've arrived.
Yeah, we've arrived. Just going to turn the camera around and we'll have a look at our pitch, which is very sloping, if I do say myself. This is the awning. We've only got the Fiamma Caravan still with sides up. Couldn't be bothered to bring the Isabella. You know this awning very well. Kadak is ready for steak. Grandma is in the caravan.
Marks and Spencer's steak
Grandma
as
has
well.
bought us M&S steak, which Dad's very happy about.
£3.50
each.
That's an absolute bargain.
And they're having a chat about how much of a bargain it is.
Oh yeah, Lee wants to know what a bargain was.
Storm straps up, of course. Don't want to warning to fall down. You've got the solar panel up. That's nothing too special. Just panning around this side. We just look around the field. It's quite full here. Not too bad, really. Not too bad. But so as I walk around the caravan, you'll see that we've just got the standard normal setup of Wastemasters and Aquarolls. Nothing too special there. We've got the dual Aquaroll as we used the shower a couple times. This side doesn't need blocking up like the other side, but as you can see, the steadies do, because this side was particularly sloping. And we've got our jockey wheel block too, which was quite annoying. This side that you're looking at now had to be more blocked up than the other side. It's very windy. The sun's actually coming up for a change, which is nice.
What? Yeah, I'd have bought the one. You know, usually he said £22.
Mia, is it lunchtime?
I think it might be lunchtime.
You,
Dad's cooking steak. So we probably haven't met Grandma on camera. Say hello, Grandma.
hello, Grandma.
We're having a week away here at this site in Weymouth. And Dad's come to tow the caravan down. And he's going to cook dinner for us as well, which is lovely. Right, we better crack on with dinner. So,
Marks and Spencer's steak.
oh yes, yummy, yummy, yummy steak.
We know how to live. We know how to live.
Oh, we do. And yes, the steak's on the Kadak, being cooked. They are bricks of steak, aren't they?
They're pretty thick.
Look at those! My God, look at those! And I think, what have we got cooking in the caravan, Grandma? We have...
Potatoes out of a 10?
God, we love those, don't we? And sweet corn.
Out of a 10.
Out of a tin. Oh yeah.
Steak's nearly done.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Potatoes, sweet corn,
Salad?
salad. Oh yeah. Be healthy, eat salad. Salad. And steak. Dinner is ready.
What about you, Oliver? Cut your steak.
Dinner
You
is
haven't cut it yet.
served. Steak, sweet corn, potatoes, salad. Yeah. What's it like, Grandma?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Steak's
Lovely.
perfect.
Good.
But does it taste nice?
Mmm.
That's good. Dad's brought his lump of steak in too.
Oh yes.
Cooked on the Kadak to perfection. In plates. Is it nice?
That was
Oh,
just
it's
a half
so
an hour that
good.
you came down. What did you go up there? Oh,
Hi everyone. It's 3 o'clock and it's windy. Oh yes. We know what wind is. Windy out here, Grandma.
that's right. Yeah, with the, yeah.
Awning's blowing about a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's all right here because it blocks the
Right, yeah. Don't have these people.
Eh?
If you don't have these people, you'll be done. It's nice, though. It's not that full though, actually, because it's a nice housing estate behind it. Lovely. There's rumours that this field might be taken over by that housing estate over there. What a shame that'll be, because it's such a lovely DA here. Hang around here, you can see there's loads more stuff, fields up there. Remember to bring blocks. If you don't, you'll definitely have issues, because we certainly did, because we only brought 4. We need many more, many more. There's lots of space down there. So yeah. So guys, I thought I'd just bring you outside. It's about 7:30 now, and the weather's nice now. Just spin you round, and you'll see the sunset. Well, not the sunset, the sun. Just look. It's lovely. It really is, and it's a bit of a cloudy evening, but it's nice. Really is nice. Really is nice. It's a bit cooler now, but anyway. So, I think that's day one done and dusted then. At Weymouth. We're all ready, we're here, and tomorrow I think we're planning on, is it Charmouth?
Yep.
Charmouth on the bus. So, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. And it's Tuesday tomorrow, not bank holiday Monday like today. It's Tuesday. Hopefully it's not so windy tomorrow and it's a bit warmer. Right, anyway, just going to have to do the washing up now, and yeah, have a bit of a quiet evening. Right, anyway, see you soon, guys. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.